What's up Wednesday? I already have my seat for tonight's performance of Petracucha. You can come at 6 o'clock when the doors open, mingle until 6:30 when performances begin on this very stage in the Diane Cruz Theater. Love to have you here. It's a free event for all. 20 slides, 20 seconds from some of the greatest creatives here in York City. Don't want to miss out on that. Also, we had a fantastic last Friday, and we hope every organization out there, over close to 300 organizations, raised money for Give Local York. We thank you all for participating and showing your support for DreamWrights, but also all the wonderful, fabulous nonprofits. We raised $31,716. That put us in 26th place overall, and we were in the top 10 of donors with 262 of them, all of which are running right over my left shoulder here, and I wish I could say every one of your names. It would take me too long, and we don't want to waste your time, but we do want to say thank you, thank you, thank you for your support, because without you, none of this would be possible. And if you didn't donate, come to Puppets and Pints. It starts after Memorial Day every Tuesday for 4 weeks. It's $80, 2 free drinks from Old Forge Brewery, and then you get to work with our master puppeteer creating all the puppets for Avenue Q, 4 of which will end up on this very stage. Don't miss out on that. Don't miss out on all the fabulous things happening in York. And I hope to see you all here tonight. I'm going to wait and see the show.